and on we'll go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosita here, back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create dope no heat curls without using any styling iron or causing any damage to your hair. So if you're new or you're not new but still looking at my channel and have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscription button down below, and don't you forget to hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. In order for you guys to achieve the curls I'm about to show you, you will need three things. You will need oil, so I'm using olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have or whatever oil you use for your hair. You'll need a comb to detangle your hair, and you'll need elastic bands or rubber bands. Now I have these are ortho bands that my dentist were throwing away, so I decided to pick it up and make use of it. So they're like little tiny elastic bands. These work just as well as the regular ones. Before we get further into this video, I would like to apologize for my voice. In my previous video, I said that I was losing my voice. Well, I've lost it over the weekend, and it's slowly coming back now, so I apologize if it's hard for you guys to hear me. I know I sound raspy, and I apologize again. So the first thing you'll need to do is wash your hair or make your hair damp. So I've washed my hair, I've detangled my hair, and I've put some oil in it. On that note, never blow dry your hair if you want to have healthy hair and promote growth. You don't want to blow dry your hair. You want to use as less heat as possible. So I've washed my hair and I've let it air dry for some time. I've detangled it, and I also put some olive oil in it, and I've also sectioned my hair in the middle. So those are all the things you'll need to do before we start braiding the hair. So like I said, we're not using any curling tools, any styling tools. So we will be braiding the hair while it's damp. That way it will take the shape of the braids, and then when you unbraid it, it will be nice and curly or wavy, if you will. For this tutorial, you can start a few hours before you want to take it out, or you can start overnight. So today is Tuesday night. I'm starting now, and then I will unbraid it tomorrow morning. So then tomorrow I'll film the other part. Actually, if I'm going to a party later in the evening, I would braid my hair in the morning, and then I'll unbraid it closer to the time when I'm getting ready to go to my party or whatever it is. So before you start braiding your hair, you want to know what size of braids you're going to put and how far you want to braid it. So I am going to start braiding mine from the root because I want my curls to come out from the root. But you can braid it halfway, middle way, like wherever you want your curls to start. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how we do it. It's very easy, and it's actually really beautiful. You can start in the back first, but I'm going to start in the front just to show you guys, because if I start in the back, you won't see. So I'm going to start from here. I'm just going to take 3 pieces, like so. And then I'm just going to braid it. You can braid it as tight as you want, or as loose as you want. I'm going to braid it as tight as it can go, because I want my curls to come out really tight. And then you just braid down. Now I'm not too big on sectioning my hair equally and all of that. I just section it however. And I'm not braiding it all equal sizes. I'm just gonna do some small, some big. Like the back I usually do very big, and the front I do really tiny so that it looks nicer. So like so. And you just go ahead, braid everything down. And because I have Indian hair, I have to tie it in the bottom. So that's where the rubber band comes in. You tie it in the bottom. But if you have mixed hair, or if you have African hair, then you don't need to tie it. So again, you section to whatever amount you want. Then you braid it as tight as you want, as loose as you want. And then you go down. I'm just gonna go ahead and do all of it, and then I'll show you guys at the end what it all looks like braided up.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, I finished braiding my hair. Looks hella crazy, yes I know. So I'm just gonna tie it up and go to sleep now, and then I'll show you guys the other part in the morning. And I'm just gonna unbraid it and show you guys what it looks like before I head to work. And oh, I'm all dressed in my scrubs. Alright, so let's take it out. I usually start from the back first, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing it from the front.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, and there you have it. So it's more like a kinky, wavish type of curl rather than those big, bold, round curls. But yeah, it's good for a nice summer day, an evening out, even a day on the beach. It costs practically the same with just oil, braids, some damp hair, and an elastic band. Okay guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. The video coming out on Sunday, so don't you forget to be on the lookout. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, the rest of your week, and you can catch me on the weekend on my new video. Bye!